Hello, boys and girls. This week we are still continuing to work on the short middle sound A or ah. We would do our sound just like we would do them with our alpha friends that we do every morning. So the middle sounds we will review by saying ah for the short A sound that we're working on this week. You'll notice that my consonants, which are the beginning and ending sounds, are in blue, and that's to point out that they are consonants, and my middle sound, that ah sound, are in red, and that's to point out that they are vowels. In the middle of my words, each sound is a vowel sound, and we're working on the short A sound. You'll notice that a lot of the students will have buttons or dots underneath their words when they write their words or to sound out their words. That's because we are teaching them to press the buttons as they're making their sound. It shall look like this. Pa, a, n, pan. Ta, a, p, tap. Ka, a, n, can. Fa, a, t, fat. Now you may need to help remind your student of the sound first, just like pa, a, n, pan, and then now prompt them for them to give you the sounds. Sometimes when the student gets to the end sound, they may drop off the beginning or the ending sound to make the beginning and ending sound the exact same instead of the two different letters. If that happens, continue with the blending. And you may want to do the super speed blending where we speed it up when we're sounding out. For example, ta, a, p, 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 tap. That'll help them blend it and keep the beginning or ending sounds that they may be dropping off. Our sight word for the week is help. You can also see that sight word found in our blended reader story, as well as pan, tap, can, and fat. This is what we'll be working on all week. We'll notice that help, can you sound it out like you can with our short vowel sound words or our CVC, C consonant, V vowel, C consonant words. Ha, a, l, p. That one's a little trickier, so that's more of a sight word than a blended or sounded out word. Ha, l, p. It doesn't quite flow as well. It's more ha, elp. You'll also notice that a lot of the kiddos are using their arms and their motions to help them sound out the words. That is the second way that we are learning to sound out or blend words in class. You would do your first letter up at your shoulder, your middle vowel sound at your elbow, and your last consonant sound at your fingertips. For example, pa, a, n, pan. Ta, a, p, tap. Ka, a, n, can. Fat, fa, a, t, fat. Those are the two different ways in which you'll see the kiddos sound out the words and the two different ways that you can help them prompt to sound out the words. For some kiddos, the dots and the motion help them, and other kiddos really love the arms, and that's helpful. So if they're not getting it one way to sound out the words, try the second way for them to sound out the words. Each day, we work on one word. So this week is a short week. There's no school on Monday. So this will be Tuesday, pan, Wednesday, tap, Thursday, can, Friday, fat. Now, if this is a full week and there's a Monday, on Fridays, we review all of the words and all of their sounds together as a whole class.